So I've located another hen of the woods. It's very, very big. I'm going to estimate this thing's about 15 pounds. Sauteing some hen of the woods mushrooms, olive oil, garlic, salt, and pepper. Oh yeah, oh yeah, they smell really, really good. Smell really, really good. 50,000 high quality products on sale now. Braised beef stew with the wild mushrooms. Oh yeah, looks good. Just plating a little bit of this beef stew, and I'm going to show you a very quick presentation. This is beef stew with the wild mushrooms. Oh, it smells so good. Looks good. You can see those mushrooms in there, and well, I'm going to enjoy it. So when you serve something like this to your guests, you might want to go with a nice portion like this, and then for garnish, yeah, it's a couple of them. Okay, turn that, you can see it. Pretty cool. And since these wild mushrooms are part of the dish, you want to accent it. A little garnish around the perimeter of the plate like this. These mushrooms, by the way, are hen of the woods, also called matusaki or something like that. Okay, I'll put a few right here like this, and that's it. You know I like to garnish my plates, so here you go, a little bit of fresh basil, a little fresh herb, and that's it. Ah, wild mushrooms. Shop with the chefs, chefdepot.com. And there's some sliced mushrooms there. Thanks for watching the presentation. Have a great day. Support your sponsor. Like, share, and subscribe. In my kitchens, I have several. This one here is going on, oh, I think this end grain rock maple is over 20 years old now. It's been cut on 1,000,000 times. The knife does not hurt it. It's the hardest surface you want for your knife contact like this. Cutting, chopping, slicing, dicing will not hurt the knife blade, will not hurt the block. Check your sponsor there. They're having a free shipping sale. Exceptional. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes, with a juice groove, without the juice groove, reversible,
charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks, buy the best the first time, save money.
So the mystery oil is applied in a circular motion. You're gonna like it. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good.
oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes,